Yeah, this is Jacob talking about video games. Yeah, this the new Tomb Raider video game was cool. They said that was cool, and um, um, other video games. Yeah, Bioshock, Infinity, I think that's what it's called. And those are the cool games to look for to anticipate the games. Um, what else? Bioshock 3. Bioshock, I mean, but Dead Space 3. Um, Gears of War Judgment came out. It's coming out. It's like a spinoff of Gears of War. And yeah. And Lost Planet 3. That's coming out in the summer time. Um, yeah, these like couple video games coming out. I'm interested in playing. Um, the especially Metal Gear. I still want to play that Metal Gear Rising. Um, yeah, those just a couple of games I want to play. And what else? I got some other games I want to play. But yeah, PlayStation 4. What's it called? Walk. What's They said that might come out 2014 though. The Watch Dog. PlayStation 4. Um, that's gonna be for that, and um, Killzone, Shadowfall, Destiny, Battlefield 4. Yep, maybe Battlefield 4, and Assassin's Creed 4, Black Flag. That's coming out later on this year. And yeah, but well, fan of Assassin's Creed. I'm not a fan that much, but Infamous, Second Son, that's coming out. Driver Club, the driver game show. Basically, to show off the graphics of it. Yeah. Star Wars 1313. I don't know what that is. Um, yeah. The Witness. It's another game. But yeah, there's a couple of games coming out by PlayStation 4 debuting. Yeah, but video games expect this year that I really want to play. That's for that is Watch Dogs. That's really what I want to play. They talking about that coming out either the fourth quarter of this year or 2014. Um, fourth quarter of 2013. I'm just looking at it, but it's either that or 2014. Yeah, but we'll see probably. Give us more information at E3. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, that's about it. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and comment. And thanks for watching.